everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome to my new unboxing video. Let's get this package open and see what's inside. Scissors aren't working. Okay, we're just gonna... And this is from Richard. Thank you, Richard. That is gonna go in my drawer. Okay. Hey. It's one of these! I'm gonna go try this on. So this is the really cute green cropped cardigan. I really love it. And thank you so much, Richard. I really love it. I think it's so cute. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, tap the like button. Click one of the two videos that just popped up on your screen and keep watching. I will see you soon. Take care and stay safe.